After waiting for nearly 4.5 months, mobile data services have been restored in Manipur today. The announcement was made by Chief Minister N. Biren at a press conference. Speaking further, the Chief Minister reiterated the role of public in restoring peace and normalcy in the state. He also maintained that work is in progress to implement an RC in the state and that a request has been made to the central government to extend the time limit for segregation of illegal immigrants that have entered Manipur. Fencing work will begin in Manipur. It will begin at the Myanmar border, and request has been made to the central government to stop free movements allowed for about 16 kilometers at the Indo-Myanmar border. Drones will be used to identify and destroy areas in the hills used for poppy cultivation. And Biren asserted that society will be destroyed if the drug abusers are not stopped at the earliest.
Professor Punamakar Hyderabad, Yamna Waba Tamari Musikambile, Lady Bird situation in the Yada, thing even internet, going into the fact news, fact propaganda, hack speech, other woman I am to the control the Onanaba and the thing in the other way. Could have been a city the internet has the Harmony and the derivation of the Impan manusia, mari lang ang gawin. Ay kung na to, buto marunong po tapos sinabi, ang sakin hamper to. Biometric isa kada. Ada tim kada. Police command sin kada. Security force kada. So I don't know in the side. So I know in the town of the emergency side of the Koi command sin tumde. More the command tumde na kasi in social media mo yung tamay na maiin yung work then who another work ado multiple kari no assist da impan mun da ko na wi ka pi kari no mo ko ko na mi wi wa ni na na we ha na se na no impan reason why kari no kano thar ka de kaman tha jin ro kano thar ka de ai ra tha jin ro kano to ka de mo na man har sa na de ni se akoi banan ja ma yo mi na si po na aduna सरकार पार्टी का एमएलए मंत्री कोई शासन दुआएं कोई दंगावी कोई तो भी दुआएं से यस कोई इशू फिर ब्लॉक है यहाँ ना सुमाय ना कोई तो यहाँ ना खासे दबा यहाँ ना कोई को मील भी लॉन्चर की वाह मतलब कोई तो वहाँ से नाम तो हुआ तो कोई यहाँ ना सुमाय ना थोड़ी वाह कोई लोग कोई के तो में कोई लोग भी कोई कुछ आने कुछ ज़्यादा माना रहा कोई इशू पे फिर ब्लॉक कर इज्जत याद लोग के तो भी इज्जत याद लोग के I couldn't go away, I couldn't set the door, I couldn't tell you possibly. Hungry day. Manga Targa by Shuma to Tenagadavishi, Tenagadize a queen, Tenagadish a queen. Government is a queen, government is a president. President is support the rule in the control. Yana moved out the moment of solution. No idea. I couldn't hear the Russian. Manipur to Guyana Honorable. Kambu to Tenagada, quite much in Tenagada, or she never make with the answer. Kari don't know like we myself dragon down. Kari don't do you know. Manipur Kundava, but not the way out of school college, from the way out of Bazar, from the way out of regularly. Lunch on the Tenant of the visit when another, Henamadu, Bangalaka, we support on about Operation Billion money. Manipur Pumba had the group of Dorothy Manipur one. Madu ki badal thomse lo anagi order sali civil society mayam na remaksi ki sahita kuntra dagi remaksi ki tumka tawla mayam ki wata represent rabra pocket ki kendra ki thol program ko dictate to la no to very unfortunate agar masi henel balansi manu ke kamu ka sarkar bani sarkar haje thambiyo sarkar e koi bani kahilo le koi commitment job channel le to le ni Manipur guide ke liye aata mate highly koi ko attack the way makal makhati the way drug ki through the way illegal immigrants ki through the way si mayam se masi henana ba han priority we government na ko sathari makha chatha ba yana ba sarkar Manipur miyam ki